I need two armed guards and one builder, 10 units, 10 or around 15 units, one slab and 6 rooms to build on top of my home. And here is the land grabbers and bootleggers are around my home, and corrupted, most wanted list. Police are in town and they are bullying and dhamki de rehta. So I need people, how much it costs and how what to do in this issue and how to defend this issue in courts. And exactly, we got everything, every documentation. We are living in this site since 50 years onwards, and the issues are not normal. Around people more than 1 billion exactly 1 billion, more than $3 billion issue on 220 ads. Now it become 200 and 200 to 180. Where is my land? And one of the issue, the litigation created by the murders and criminals and land grabbers, and they're trying to conquer entire towns and cities from Kavita Memorial Degree College. Total gangs are murders and criminals and terrorist activities and Naxalism is going on in this town. And I need to defend this issue in directly with media, international media and national media first of all, and National Human Rights Commission and International Human Rights Commission and World Health Organization and National Human NAA. And I update these messages to protect myself and my family and whatever we are building here. And they are targeted victim, so you're talking to victim. So I can't deal with this issue. Suddenly they are attacking. So how much they take for 10 units to 15 units home on top of my home and in this land. So everything is legal. Exactly, the people who are around my home creating a lot of nuisance and attempting murder, and people who are working the laborers are murderers and criminals. So where these people come from, no proper work, and only they are commanding themselves working with our money. So these people attempted murder on victim and their gangs and their Siddhanti and their murders and criminals. Already we gave complaints and updated in social media. So more than 1 month onwards, 1 2 months onward, these people attacking victim home and working their own way, and they are not saying any proper matter, and someone hacking them and attacking victim home. And the victim home need to be renovated, and there is a 15 units construction now, 10 to 15 units in between. So you can see the layout only in front of us you can do, and after that we all discussion recorded. And exactly, every legal matter, every legal issue. So do not interrupt or interfere. The people who are interrupting and abusing, threatening from 100 911 and the past previous people, 100 911 calls, when we are calling the sex offenders, murders, criminals, receiving in between pitching and targeting and threatening victim. So these kind of issues happening here in this town, and everywhere the hackers around my home were Vemorpu Muralidhar, total family members, and driver Ramulu gang, driver Ramulu and Jekula Lakshmaya gang. And these people are contract killers and murderers and land grabbers and real estate rowdy sheeters and builders, builders who are really, there is one sign. So people, some unknown issues happening and unknown reasons, why should we suffer? That's why we need one armed guard to look after this issue until construction or lifetime we need to settle. And we are giving this data to bill. There is a bill every day, how much security, safety, protection required to this building and my family. So I'm abroad written, and I know what to do in these matters. Just that's why I'm updating this message to protect victim. So victim not gonna hacked by any Indian authorities that really hunting innocent Indians who are corrupted. The corrupted police officers, IAS, IPS, and CBI, CID, whoever in this issue, we need to drag, exactly, we need to drag them to the court, and we need to drag them to Andaman Nicobar jails and prisons, and entire towns and cities are haunted. And Nisi is main in all, and SP Tashriq Iqbal is main in all, and CP Ismail and Shakil Bashiruddin and Jahir attacking innocent Indians from Melbourne and UAE to Dubai, UAE to Pakistan, and they spread it in India. And Asoiddin Oiski is behind this issue, and Bob Singh sitting judges. We need to appoint new judges. In my judgment, we are not taking any judgment from them, from Supreme Court, but Supreme Court is not in this matter first of all, and the issues created by Ketri and Krishna Rao's son and Ketri and Krishna Rao gangs, and their Maya, Mantra, Witchcraft, Black Magic, Tantric Prayag, Kshetra Prayag, and the Siddhanti can't even stand. Uh, exactly, more than we found 1,000 people. IAS, IPS, police, criminal lawyers, advocates, doctors, everybody in TRS politicians, KCR, KTR, Naini, Narsimha Reddy, Powada, Jikumar. In this town, they are bullying people who are living since 50 years and it's. So I found threat. I got, exactly. I need protection, safety, security, and if anything happened to me in this issue, that's why I'm updating you. So before whatever, it's not gonna happen. That's why I'm updating this message to protect. I need media security first of all, and do not trust any common town police and any construction field people who are saying we know we are. If anyone giving dumki means some kind of arguments is going on, we are stopping this construction because we need more money. Suddenly they are trying to stop. That's what I'm saying. When we update this message, more than 1,000 found attacking innocent people, innocent Indians who are really constructing their homes with their own money. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. So do not trust anyone in this issue, and be careful when you're dealing with the people who are in my complaint list. And do not trust anyone, any IAS, IPS officers, and Indian CBI, Rishi gangs, and Akkineni Nagarjuna, Konidala Chiranjeevi from Hyderabad, and Chintal Basti gangs, Paka Suman, Kurpula Narasimharao, and Bhadrachalam, total Bhadrachalam. Why these people attacking? They killed my brother-in-law, who is very innocent, don't even know anything. They attacked him more than the slow poison, and suddenly they attacked him on small brain, and their spine hurted, and they are one kidney missing. They are saying when they are postmortem, or they are not mentioned properly. They know what they are doing, and Indian government negligence, Indian military. I informed to Indian military major, and there is the the few issues are going on here. Dubai, Qatar people are attacking towns and cities here. So why they are allowing Qatar and Dubai people around my home and motivating